Dr. Suzy, this is a question more so for myself and my dental colleagues out there that, we often suffer burnout and compassion burnout. What are some signs that we often overlook, and how can we set healthier boundaries for our own mental wellness so we can take the best, take care of our patients the best way that we can?
Yeah, and that's a great question. I think, anyone in the field of human services, healthcare, anywhere where there's a great deal of patient interaction, recognizing that others are going to be sharing their trauma with you, not necessarily mental health trauma, but even physical trauma, physical pain, that can definitely wear away at a person. Constantly dealing with people who are in pain or suffering or struggling can also really, do a number on your own psyche. Compassion fatigue and burnout are very common in these fields. And we see some preventative things that can help in trying to cope with that and not getting to that point. So first of all, giving yourself, opportunities to detach. So if you as a practitioner are seeing, patient after patient after patient, making sure that you're giving yourself at least like 5 minute time where in between patients you can step away, you can, do some deep breathing. Maybe, you just step out of your office for a minute to catch a breath of fresh air. But doing something that removes you from the place that you're consistently in. In terms of compassion fatigue, being also able to almost like change the channel when you're working with someone and you feel like this is really heavy. This person has a disease, an illness, a case that's difficult. Being able to serve them in that moment, but not carry that baggage with you. So detach at the end of each, patient intake session, and be able to step away from it so that you're ready and refreshed to work with the next patient and the next patient. So definitely coping mechanisms that are learned that can be applied can help out with the burnout and the compassion fatigue.
Very helpful and so profound. I'm sure it's going to be very helpful for a lot of us here.